Hello, good day. I would like to tell you about a new air quality management system called the Manger Environment Cleaning System. It is based on the electrophoresis principle. The device is developed by the company that has over 20+ years experience in air contaminant control and high-end Class 10 cleanroom needs for our clients. It performs significantly better than other ionizers on the market without possible generation of the harmful ozone gases. Through our careful manipulation of the electrofluid dynamics, or the movement of ionic fluids, Manger device can remove air contaminants from the size of 1,000 to 0.01 micrometers. It works under the typical indoor air environment of high-tech manufacturing facilities by gently passing the ambient air through this electrophoresis device. To demonstrate the Manger effect, we employ a charge plate and an actual ion counter so that the ionization reactions can be witnessed by all. First, we need to place the electro-ionic field into the device or the facility space effectively. The Manger system can deal with a wide variety of typical air contaminants such as dust, dirt, smoke, and pollens, allergens, urban smog, plus some bacteria, virus, and spores. To classify all the contaminants in their range by their sizes, this diagram shows that if you can cover between 1,000 and 0.01 microns, which is the range that Manger can treat, this range covers almost the entire spectrum of air pollutants when ionized molecules and particles are placed near an electrical dynamic field. This next slide shows where the name Manger arises from. Once the electrophoresis field is formed and the collector is fully charged, it can capture a multitude of contaminants and toxics in a quiescent room or space. The acronym comes from multipolar, anodic, non-arching, gentle, electrophoresic, and reactive. The word gentle highlights that the device will produce a quiescent environment for the electrophoresis force field to establish quickly. It will then gently remove the ionized pollutants to be collected naturally. Here we show that similar principle has worked in the past decade to decontaminate our MNC clients' Class 10 clean rooms. It was successful to remove a range of contaminants using similar electrophoresis principle for the particle collection and control without the generation of the harmful ozone. The next few slides is the physical demonstration of our Manger device under testing. You will see a charge plate displaying the amount of charges being generated and an ion counter, starting at rest with no charges provided. We then power on to ionize to 12,000 V negative ionic charge and 8,000 V positive ionic charge. We placed a probe inside the Manger box to verify the high voltage shows that it is fully charged. Emitted into the Manger device gently. The ion count will slowly drop to reflect the continuous capture of the air contaminants or toxics. The design and construction of this Manger device is proprietary. It is made of almost 100% commercially available polymeric and/or other plastic materials. We will try to eliminate the effects of any metal surfaces in the design which is known to disturb the electro-ionic force field balance. The electrophoresis system offers your home the same space-age technology used in high-technology, ultra-clean room environments. This unique home system removes and collects invisible microscopic contaminants with performance unattainable from any other ionizer. The electrophoresis system cleans and purifies indoor air of dirt, dust, smoke, pet odors, pollen, bacteria, spores, and other microorganisms, generating a cleanroom-like environment. Thank you for your attention.